Verbal Intelligence MCQs. Question number 1. Total 60 students are in a class. 36 are present in class. What are percentage of absent? Option A, 35%. Option B, 40%. Option C, 50%. Option D, 53%. Answer is option B, 40%. Explanation. Question number 2. Which have the same relationship as ink and pen from? Option A, nib. Option B, lead. Option C, pencil. Option D, sharpener. Answer is option A, nib. Explanation. Question number 3. Usama is older than Kabir. Kabir is older than Hamza. Hamza is older than Hashim. Who is the oldest in Hamza? Kabir, Hashim, and Usama? Option A, Hamza. Option B, Kabir. Option C, Hashim. Option D, Usama. Answer is option D, Usama. Explanation. Question number 4. A mother's age is 4 times the sum of the ages of his 2 children 22 years, hence his age will be equal to the sum of their ages. Find the mother's present age. Option A, 40 years. Option B, 44 years. Option C, 46 years. Option D, 42 years. Answer is option B, 44 years. Explanation. Question number 5. Complete the series 12, 16, 13, 18, 14, and next is. Option A, 18. Option B, 20. Option C, 22. Option D, 24. Answer is option B, 20. Explanation. Question number 6. Meter is to centimeter and feet is to. Option A, millimeter. Option B, decimeter. Option C, yard. Option D, inch. Answer is option D, inch. Explanation. Question number 7. What is the product of following multiplications? 19% times 11%. Option A, 0.0109%. Option B, 0.1290%. Option C, 0.0209%. Option D, 0.0309%. Answer is option C, 0.0209%. Explanation. Question number 8. If 3 times 4 equals 9, 4 times 6 equals 21, 5 times 8 equals 37, then 6 times 10 equals. Option A, 47. Option B, 48. Option C, 57. Option D, 61. Answer is option C, 57. Explanation. Question number 9. If 3 girls write 3 pages in 3 minutes, In how many minutes can one girl write one page? Option A. 3 minutes. Option B. 4 minutes. Option C. 5 minutes. Option D. 6 minutes. Answer is option A. 3 minutes. Explanation. Question number 10. Total 40 students are in a class. 14 are absent in class. What are percentage of present? Option A, 65%. Option B, 67%. Option C, 69%. Option D, 71%. Answer is option A, 65%. Explanation. Question number 11. Insert the missing figures. 97, 86, 73, 62, 49, and next is. Option A. 36. Option B. 38. Option C. 41. Option D. 49. Answer is option B. 38. Explanation. Question number 12. The ratio of the ages of Maria and Siema is 3:2. The sum of their ages is 25 years. What are ages of Maria and Siema? Option A, 13 and 12 years. Option B, 14 and 11 years. Option C, 16 and 9 years. Option D, 15 and 10 years. Answer is option D, 15 and 10 years. Explanation. Question number 13. Which one is different from the rest? Option A, bus. Option B, car. Option C, motorcycle. Option D, ship. Answer is option D, ship. Explanation. Question number 14. Which one is different from the rest? Option A, uncle. Option B, father. Option C, brother. Option D, sister. Answer is option D, sister. Explanation. Question number 15. If A20 equals 120, B30 equals 230 and C40 equals 340, then D50 equals? Option A, 550. Option B, 440. Option C, 450. Option D, 540. Answer is option C, 450. Explanation. Question number 16. Which one is different from the rest? Option A, keyboard. Option B, book. Option C, LCD. Option D, mouse. Answer is option B, book. Explanation. Question number 17. Complete the series. 2, 5, 10, 17, and next is. Option A, 21. Option B, 22. Option C, 26. Option D, 27. Answer is option C, 26. Explanation. Question number 18. What will come next? 5, 21, 6, 22, 7, 23, and next is option A, 7, 24. Option B, 7, 25. Option C, 8, 27. Option D, 8, 24. Answer is option D, 8 and 24. Explanation. Question number 19. What letter comes alphabetically in order in the letters sister? Option A, R. Option B, E. Option C, T. Option D, S. Answer is option B, E. Explanation. Question number 20. Which one is different from the rest? Option A, magistrate. Option B, advocate. Option C, judge. Option D, major. Answer is option D, major. Explanation. Thanks for watching video.